This is a 12-piece set of police-themed hanging decorations. I was sent a review from Sumin store, so let's take a closer look. We've got a baggie of plastic connectors, which are gonna connect these hanging foil swirlies to your decorations. There are 4 colors of these really shiny hanging swirlies, and there are 5 designs for these, 2 of each. We've got the police squad car, police badge, to serve and protect, this other police badge, police department, another squad car. Gotta note the shapes too, like they're perfectly cut out, really cool. And you've got the police hat. So there are 10 of those total, and then in this other bag, you've got your banner, which is pre-strung. So it literally couldn't be easier. The banner is only single-sided. That's okay, because let's assume you're gonna have it on a wall or something. There are 2 rows to the banner. These are separately strung together. This one says officer with badge on each side. This one says congrats. These each have a pre-punched hole on the top. These have a hole in the center and right here. Take one of the connectors, punch it through here, and punch it through here. Then lock these together. Boom. There you go. So now you've got the 2 connected, and then this is what you're gonna hang from the ceiling. There is a hole here if you need to hang it from a string or a thumbtack or something, or you can use painter's tape, which is what I'm gonna do so that there's no damage. Within seconds, you are assembled. It is so easy and a really cool decoration. Really gorgeous. How fun. These are double-sided, really well printed, a glossy, vibrant color. Really nice. So there you are with the 2 banners. Congrats, officer. The congrats has a squad car on each side. The officer part has a badge on each side. There are your extra decorations, your hangy thingies, just a really cool set. I'm super impressed with the quality. I love that the banner part came already strung together. And I love that these come in 4 different colors. That's really fun too. I just love it. Great for a police academy graduation, a police officer promotion, you name it. You can even quickly take it down and store it away flat for next time.